Ungayi ungasplashanga la.
Le?
Ngayi la ungasplashanga.
Into emergency siyasinga.
Amajita ayajwayela ngespeed inkinga yabo.
Ayala agijima.
Noma ibaby aqala i5 sekanesibindi sokuthi anginamali maqala akazange aqale kanjalo.
Yeah. But discuss lento letapho ukuthi sibali azwane azwane nawe as the boyfriend.
Yazi iqala kuphi?
Discuss.
Iskars but ke abanye bayayifaka.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. Noma ukuthi wena ubhayile sibali ibhiya umbhayile house ini yabona. But it start kuwe nomuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Ispirit senu.
Yeah.
Siso reflect and then bake bomedi bazokuthanda automatically.
Yeah, I think okay, I've got sisters. I've got 2 little sisters.
Yeah.
So obvious ngizowa nawo labana lezi onkhwenyana lezi Sophie. I don't think ngaba schema mina. Ngizoba nesibali lezi shy green. Mawuza yimfanele uzithobe la uyiboyfriend.
Khumbula ukuthi wena sibuka by nature.
Yeah.
Sa protect ama chance. So including our siblings, some younger sisters wethu.
Yeah.
That is why uthola ukuthi asizwana nabo sibale khona impi yabo sibale nama I mean yabo malume nabo nabashana.
Yeah.
Idalwa ile yonto le.
Hey mina bheka mina. Ngingisi yakithi yo. Isibale sakhona sazos awuthi yakhona isazosibana.
But manje ingosi yakho izosala naye.
Ingisi yami.
Yeah, uzokhiphela ikwalo kungosi yakhe.
Uzokhiphela ikwalo kuyingcisi yakithi. Ingcisi yakithi kunentwana esilandelayo yena ngitshelile hlali. Adlali. Akunapari uzositelela. But yeah, still telling with King's Food, I mean it's Uppercut Monday. Plomeno Upper, man, it's 10 minutes to 1 right now. It's the 19th. We're having a lot of time. We're chilling. Sakuluma, man. We're going to be on the next hour. Hey, we're coming with the serious topics on the next hour. This hour is just talking to you, simple things and things that lazy. Did you hear the Upper that 37 lives were lost at Cape Flats because of the shootout this weekend? Yeah, I heard about that, Buddha, and listen to this incidents. And ukuze sibone kahle ukuthi ibhlungu. Yeah. Awuqokeleza iqathulo zama victims kancane. Yeah. For 5 seconds. Hey, it's quite sad. It's quite sad. It's when you check, I was like, yo, 37. And isn't this a source of community? Yeah, true that. I am community ngisho ne government na itself. Yeah, if it's not tragedy, ama accidents and people shooting each other, sesilwa nemvula futhi. Limpopo is facing a flood. It's facing a serious flood. But mama pega spot. Yeah. Khona iTebe. Yeah. Khona iLimpopo. Khona Cape Town. Lawa ma province I experience at the west. Hey, why? That the question is why? According to in nature, nezinto ezenzakalayo abantu eDurban bayenze bathi bayenzeni bathwele kakhulu eDurban. And then Limpopo ilabo bathwalisa kakhulu. Ngikuthola ngazi sothina mokhalata bula amashadi angibona intwana iphuma iphethisha ngezandla la. Like you know what's the murder. Yeah, you can't kill people. You can't kill people. God will react. Yeah, and the floods. So the floods have moved from Limpopo to Durban. Yeah, that's what I saw. It's jumping. So at Durban, bon. Ikazil ning from Dallas ayazi. Ikazil kritikile even namanje. Iyawuza khona ziphupha ngetaxi nespa. Yeah, angithi bathi indoda kumele ibe nespa. Ispa mozenzani ngaso. Ngaphasi bathatha lento. Uyafika una 25 years. So nobalo bathatha lezi zinto lezi ne weather nogode wona wangidela. Yeah, ispirit. eLimpopo khona kuyarekho kuyathunjwa. Most ama case wakhona. Mabaqeda bayathakatha. Yeah. So uNkulunkulu uzorienta ubheka izinto ezenzakalayo. Hey man, I saw a couple of things. That I Kruger National Park, there was a flood. I was thinking, imagine if I went for a holiday there, ngidama manje. No, ngiyakwazi ukuswima, uvaleleke ngala. Angithi amanye ama province awavelelwa. Yeah, but ama nature disaster. Quite awful what happens in Durban. Mara uyabona kula ama province engiwabalile kunzima. Ayi lawa. And
intwana yakhona ena 25 years utshela ukuthi yena ugatsheni maro
yabona
sekagibelile ngespeed athi yena sekugatsheni is not Ndlovu anymore yabona lo Ndlovu omdala and then indoda kumele ibe nesibhamu uyafika 25 years ago sithola kahle mfethu
one time
ungabuzi thina
bheka udinga uGod asiyendla sonke dinga uGod eLimpopo khumbulani uMaster KG umtshelile asiyene eJerusalem standards enikele ama lightning bheka ama flat manje
The voice of Mzansi.